Secure the 4 copper standoffs onto the bottom plywood board with 4 black screws. Now, put the PCB board on top of the installed copper standoffs. Secure the PCB board with spring washers and hex nuts. Be careful to the electronic component in the red circle while tightening the hex nuts with your plier. Now, wrap the flexible LED panel around the PVC tube. Be sure it's in the right direction. Secure the LED panel with supplied plastic cable ties. Now, peel off the double-side tape and connect the cable. Next, insert the PVC tube through the big hole on PCB, and mount it on the bottom plywood as shown. Connect the touch switch module and mic module. First, install the rubber ring to the top plate of lamp. Now, remove the film on both sides of acrylic sheets, and install them onto the base unit of the lamp. Install the acrylic sheet with 2 holes onto the base unit of the lamp. The mic module should be aligned to the big hole. Secure it with a T-shaped plug from outside. Make sure the T-shaped plug is tight in the rectangle hole of acrylic sheet. Now, tear off the film on back of touch switch, mount it onto the installed acrylic sheet. Mount the 3 rest acrylic sheets onto the base unit, and secure them with T-shaped plugs. Install the top plate, also secure it with T-shaped plugs. Plug the DC USB cable with one end to the lamp, the other end to a USB wall charger. The touch switch is reactive with your touching, as shown.
It's time to download and install the WLED app.